Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to fix if external hard drive not showing up on PC. So if you're having this issue, then in this video I'll show you how you can fix your hard drive external if it is not showing up in your PC or in your files. So first you have to simply go to the desktop, and after that you have to open the file explorer and make sure you have it. But let's say you couldn't find it into your this PC, then what you have to do is you have to first simply get back, and after that in the search section you have to search for disk management. Once you have searched for it, you will find this first option. You have to simply click onto this one, and once it gets open, then you will have different drive option. You will see this unallocated section in your drive. You have to do a right click onto it and select this first option, then keep clicking on to next until you see the option for the finish, and then click on finish. Then there are chances that you may see the option for the drive, the external drive in your PC. You have to simply get back and check there. If it appears, then good. The other thing that you have to make sure that you have connected it the right way. The cable, the data cable, or maybe the connectivity that you have used is working properly. And the last thing you can do is restart your PC, and after that you will see the external hard drive will be appearing in your PC. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.